AI is changing product management faster than ever before. But here is the harsh truth. Most of the aspiring product managers don't know that where to start learning it. If you can master AI, then it will make you stand out from the rest of the people in every PM interview out there. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 free AI courses that will help you become AI ready product manager even if you are starting from the scratch. For those who are watching me for the first time, I'm Sachin Sharma, a product career coach with 11 plus years of experience into this product management field. I have helped thousands of IT professionals make a successful transition into this product management role in the smoothest and the easiest way. And over this YouTube channel, every week we share insights, systems, frameworks, tools, and insider tips to help you get into this product management role and succeed in this product management role as well. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated and if you're serious about becoming a product manager. So now let's move to the course number 1. So the first course is Elements of AI. So for every course, we will be diving into 3 areas. What you will learn over there. Will you get a certification over there? If yes, is this certification a paid or the free? And what will be the duration? How much time you have to spend it over there to learn that particular course or go through that particular course? So what you will learn in this particular course is, first of all, you will understand the foundational understanding of AI and its capabilities. Secondly, you will also learn application of AI in the real world that will make things easier for you. And also you will learn the ethical, social and human impact awareness about the AI. Will you get a certification for this? Yes, definitely you will get a certification for this. And duration is 25 to 30 hours. And listen, if you're watching this video and thinking that learning AI is not just about the hype and the tools, but also about building the right foundation and using it in making the right product decisions. And you want me and my team to personally help you get upskilled with the AI and also help you land into this product management role in the easiest and the smoothest way. So in that case, what I will personally recommend you can go and click the link in the description where you will book a one-on-one demo call with us, and over there my team will create a personalized game plan for you to land into this AI ready product manager role in the smoothest and the easiest way. Now let's move to the course number 2. So the second course is Generative AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. So what you will learn here, you will understand generative AI fundamentals over here. You will discover the real world use cases of Gen AI or the generative AI, and also you will get to know about the Gen AI limitations, biases and responsible use principles to make informed product and business decisions, because it is very important that you should be making informed decisions with the help of it, and also you should be aware about the principles of using Gen AI. Because it doesn't make any sense if you are making an unethical use of all these tools or this Gen AI out there. Will you get a certification? Yes, but it will be paid. And the duration, it is just 3 to 4 hours of course. The third course is ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers by Deep Learning AI and OpenAI. It's a collaboration of Deep Learning and OpenAI, and with that they have launched this particular course. So what you will learn over here in this particular course? So here you will learn the best practices for effective prompt engineering. Okay, you can have access to OpenAI, this ChatGPT or any other tool like Perplexity or anything. But if you don't know how to write down the right prompts and get the maximum output of that, okay, then you will not be able to leverage the exact capabilities of that particular tool. So that's why this course will help you a lot over there. It will also help you in applying the prompting for real world text and data tasks. And it will also help you in building and testing simple AI apps using OpenAI API. Certification? No, there will be no certification that you will be getting, and the duration is just 1.5 hours. Moving to the fourth course, which is Generative AI for Beginners by Microsoft. It's basically a YouTube playlist, okay, that you will get over there. Here you will learn to build real AI apps using LLMs. And also you will understand prompting, APIs and RAG implementation as well. And it also you will explore full Gen AI lifecycle from idea to deployment, that how it works over there. And certification, no certification because it's a YouTube video, and duration 20 to 25 hours. But this is very in depth, okay? So go through it and don't miss it out. Now move to the fifth course, which is multi-AI agent system with Crew AI. So what you will learn here, you will learn to design and organize multi-agent AI systems, because I'm sure you must be aware that there are multiple AI basically agents. AI agent is something that is coming into the picture. Okay, so you will be learning some nuances about over here, that how these multi-agents, how to design these multi-agents and organize them as well. Okay, it will also help you in automate workflows using specialized collaborating AI agents, and it will also help you in building business processes, because as a product manager I always mention this thing, that you are not building the product but you are building the business for the organization. So it will also help you in build business processes with the role-based AI automation. And certifications, no, duration 2 hours 41 minutes. Sixth course is AI product management full crash course by Paul. It's also again a YouTube video. What you will learn here, product management frameworks for writing an AI product requirement for the PRD basically. Okay, AI product requirement that we do, explains the critical trade-offs, RAG versus fine-tuning, and also it covers AI agents, data strategy, and evaluation metrics. Paul is literally doing a good job in this space of AI product management. So he's also a great guy to follow in. And this particular video is very, very powerful. Coming to the certification, there is no certification because it's a YouTube video and it will take your 1 hour 36 minutes to be very precise. Now move to the seventh course, which is AI for product management. That is by Mind the Product, and it's also in collaboration, I think, with the Pendo. Okay, so what you will learn here, learn how AI transforms modern product management practices, understand how to build and scale AI powered features, and apply AI use cases to accelerate the product growth. Certification, yes, and it is free. Duration, it is just 2 hours. That's all for this video. I hope you got a lot of useful resources. Don't forget to check them out. The link of these courses or these resources will be in the description below. And also one important thing, if you are literally serious about making a transition into this product management role, and if you want to be AI ready product manager, then book a one-on-one demo call with my team. And over there, we will create a strategic roadmap for you, your personalized roadmap to land into this product management role in the smoothest and the easiest way. It doesn't matter from what background you are coming from and how. We will be creating, because we understand your background, and then we will create this game plan for you. Okay, thank you. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.